Well, this is pretty cool. 1976 Sierra Classic. Short end. Well, I came out here at the mall. Not the most liveliest mall, but hey, what's cool about the mall was that a rail club at the mall, so that's cool.
Local. There you go. It's working. There's nothing wrong with the local. Same as well. Oh, you got all happy and the other Tom showed up, so they went to coffee. Yeah. I just about found that always better be. I could have just ordered 2 or 3 of them. Yeah. $40. Give me $40.
Huh.
Oh, exactly, yeah. You got all of the painting. Oh, Peter did. Yeah, well, there was some question about which stuff belonged to what club, what house. There was a little disagreement between Craig and Dell, and where's all our stuff, where's the end, you leave behind, and leave it back. So I said, okay, that's a house paint. Yeah, I'll come here, and I'll paint it and all that. So everything that's got that baby blue color is for the insulator.
Yeah, you're gonna get a bunch of pink paint for the show.
Oh, be quiet. Oh, yeah. Well, because I'm kind of anal that way. How come there's one in the second from the top? Oh, that's all one unit.
Yeah.
That's Ed's big trestle.
Yeah, the big brick press.
Yeah, so it's a big deep. Well, those are all the same, yeah. And all the ones in the back, there's all the ones from these, they're all, and I was gonna actually do the legs too. But, I just did the carrying case, I just put a strip of glue on it.
Yeah.
You know, so that we know that what's, you know, if we're using this power pack, if you had a case for the power pack, I would put, and tape them all.
Have you got letter?
Hey?
You have letter template?
Oh, I cut one on styrene. I just glue one up, and I cut an HO too. H and O, 2 halves of C.
Oh, yeah.
A little space.
See how you painted the block.
Holy cow. That is like 5 colors.
That must be, nope, that's not sugar. Oh, they had the lights on.
Three coats.
I don't know how many coats there are.
Yeah, 3 different colors. Oh, these things. Yeah, oh my goodness. Pencil on the front. Yeah, with their initials yet. Yeah, with the, yeah, CH or M.
G&M.
G&M.
Here's the industrial part.
Oh my goodness.
We got a colliding pair coming up here. Thank you.
Where?
Oh, no, I was.
Oh, windmills.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Goat cheese? No, he said groceries. Oh, well, goat cheese, yeah, goat cheese.
Well, it's a good thing we have leftover for tonight, because the Indy was on this morning. Till 1:30.
And then
There's
there's,
3:30 is the Coca-Cola 600.
oh, so your
Till
wife.
8:30 tonight or something.
Yeah, so you're
So
not
it's
getting any,
leftovers
so
tonight.
you're not getting any love from the wife today. She's got her other boyfriends that she'll be watching. You know?
Dale Earnhardt.
Junior.
Junior.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Well, I don't know what I'm gonna do next year. Dale won't be here.
Oh, my God, she'll fall in love with somebody else.
This is his last year.
Yeah.
Was Dale Earnhardt, did he have the Elvis Presley car one year? Or one race? He had Elvis Presley. Oh, it was pretty cool. I saw something like that on online, where it was a car, and I think it was connected to Elvis Presley Enterprises out in Graceland.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they had an Elvis car. It's pretty cool.
Wasn't that in 027?
Sorry?
Wasn't that in Lionel?
I don't know. No, it was like a real car.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, this is cool. I'm vlogging it, yeah. That's pretty cool.
3 tracks or 2 tracks?
Right, so this is called the N scale, but what's the other scale called?
Early scale to the HO scale.
The HO scale, and when's that going to be assembled?
Probably sometime next month, yeah.
All right.
Hopefully next, probably 2-3 weeks.
Just in time for the CFL to kick off, and where Saskatchewan beats a target of anyone that dares play them, right?
I wouldn't get my hopes up that high.
Okay.
I don't give a damn. I'm a Ruffy fan. They can go a 0-0 as far as I'm concerned for the year. I'm still a Ruffy fan.
Attaboy. A true fan doesn't give up.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, thank you very much. All right. Visit you soon. Cheers.
My wife's happy with that. You know,
Who?
Rod Stewart this week.
Rod Stewart,
yeah,
yeah.
he's an HO guy, and so is the lead singer of The Who, Roger Daltrey. And he goes, oh yeah, me and Roger were talking on the phone all the time about kits
Yeah.
and this and that, and what did you buy lately? And
Yeah.
oh yeah, we were talking on the
I would
phone.
like to have been around when he went to Model Railroader magazine.
Yeah, yeah.
Knock, knock, knock.
Yeah.
Come in. You know, you've got a person that'd like to see you. Who's that? You know, Rod Stewart.
Oh, I think they sussed him out.
Yeah.
I think they knocked on his door. He said, hey, Rod, we hear you're a model railroader.
I used to have my own toy model. I got it for Christmas. And I was quite proud of it. And I wanted to show my Uncle Charlie, who in his life never said a good compliment about it, anything. So I showed him my train set, and he picked out what was wrong with it, what doesn't belong in it, and whatnot. And I don't know, he just kind of deflated me. And that was the, I never had it hooked up. Had it in storage, and when I was a kid, stored it in a closet at home, and now I'm wishing I had it hooked up properly.
We can wait a little bit.
Yeah, I could vlog you looking at shirts. Vlog kaput.